Identify the major products P, Q, R in the following chain reactions. So first of all, we have given a reaction that is benzene plus CH2CH3CCl, and we are reacting it with anhydrous AlCl3. So this is the anhydrous AlCl3 which is being used to react this reaction. Then we are getting this product P. Now we are reacting this product P with O2 and H2O, and we are getting two products, that is Q and R. So we need to find P, which we are getting by reacting benzene and this compound. Then we need to find this. So when we will simply react this with benzene, so what will happen? Benzene will remain same, but CH3, CH2 and CH2 will come with the benzene, plus one more product. Now this chlorine will go with anhydrous, and now we are dealing with CH3, CH2 and CH2. So when this will happen, this AlCl3 anhydrous will shift to this compound, and by that introspection we can say that this compound and alcohol will be formed. Like in this reaction we can see AlCl3 anhydrous is combining, and then AlCl and this introspection carbonation is happening. Then we are shifting this reaction with one oxygen and two hydrogens, so this compound is forming. So from that we can say that this reaction will be forming after combining both of them.